it's Emily and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I thought I would just vlog some of my day and bring you all along with me. Sorry if you can hear my dishwasher, it's running right now. It's like right here and it's so loud, but I mean the dishes need to be washed. So I'm getting ready to fix breakfast, and I don't know if I'm the only mom like this, but I wake up in the morning and I'm like, I've got so much things that I need to do that I just start like running around and cleaning and doing this and doing that, and it's like hours later before I actually eat breakfast. So it's not even breakfast time, but I have to eat breakfast before I can eat lunch just because it's like a mental thing for me. So I'm getting ready to make a really good breakfast, and that's why I thought I would vlog, because it's just so good. You guys are going to love it. I'm going to be making strawberry stuffed French toast. So I got everything over here. I don't know if you all have seen this bread, but if you ever make French toast, you need to get this bread. It's the Pepperidge Farm swirl bread, and they just came out with strawberry limited edition. So I'm just gonna make French toast like regular with this. Like, I don't do anything special. I just add like eggs, milk, vanilla, and a little bit of cinnamon. This has so much flavor in it that you don't have to add a whole lot to it. Take some butter and put it in the pan. There it is in the pan. So now that the French toast is done, I'm going to show you how to make this stuffed. Okay, you take one piece of French toast, and then I'm going to use this Philadelphia strawberry cream cheese, and I'm going to spread that on this piece of toast. Then we just put another piece of toast on top of it. Add some strawberries and some syrup, and we're done. Yum! This is so good. Okay, so we're done eating breakfast, and now I am getting some clothes and some purses and some shoes and stuff together, and I'm gonna go to Plato's Closet today and see if I can't get some money out of this stuff. I'm just like tired of this stuff sitting in my house. I posted some of this on Poshmark, and the only bad thing about Poshmark, it seems like stuff takes forever to sell, and I decided I just didn't want to keep this stuff sitting in my house while I waited for it to sell. So I'm just going to try to take it to Plato's Closet, and I hope they take my stuff because I heard they're really strict, but we'll see. And I've still got to continue to clean out my closet and get rid of more things because I just have way too many clothes and it's too cluttered, and we need to get rid of stuff bad. Okay, so I got my hair fixed. It looks a little messy, but I'm just running some errands, and I got my bag of everything in it. It's a pretty big bag.
And I got my one Bobo.
And what you got, you Bobo?
Yeah.
I'm pretty disappointed because it's been warm the last couple of days, but today is cold. So I wanted to dress like spring. I want spring so bad. I can't stand it. So I'm wearing this spring dress. It has pockets, and it's from Jade McKenzie. And I just put a, oh, I just realized my collar was messed up.
Mommy, your jacket matches like this.
Yeah, it matches. I just put a denim jacket over it, and I'm wearing boots. I'm so sick of wearing boots, but it's cold outside. And I got the girls, they're wearing dresses. Come here. The girls got their dresses on with leggings and jackets to keep them warm.
And my fast shoes.
Oh, Emily says those are her fast shoes. Every time she wears her tennis shoes, she tells everybody, I can run really fast in my shoes. So we're gonna go to Plato's Closet first and run some other errands.
And more bath bombs.
And more bath bombs. And Everly keeps begging me to take her to get bath bombs. So we're gonna call Daddy and see what Daddy has to say about that because he's the one that pays for bath bombs. What does Daddy say?
You can get the bath bombs. Yes.
Okay, we're here. I'm gonna take my clothes in, so wish me luck. I really hope they don't like send me back with like most of my stuff. Okay, we're back in the car. I was literally in there for like an hour and there was only one person in front of me in line. They had one lady going through all the items and checking people out. So it took forever and she took most of my stuff. I sold 19 items and I made $72, which is pretty good. At least I got rid of a bunch of stuff. So I'm gonna continue getting rid of more. Believe it or not, it's been like several hours since we ate breakfast. And so we're gonna go get some lunch. Got the hot dog? Let me see your hot dog. Eat it. There's mommy's fries. How do you zoom?
I want to look at the toys first.
You want to look at the toys first?
Yeah.
Mommy wants to look at the clothes first.
No, I want to look at the toys first. Mom, can we look at the toys first and we can go to clothes?
I guess.
Toys, toys, toys.
Somebody save me from the toy aisle. We always get stuck. Like, we spend 30 minutes just looking at toys. Let me see. What'd you get?
I got the fancy pet.
She got another LOL surprise. Let me see ya. Wow. Rosie, you want a hat? Oh, this is stuck. Oh, wow. You look so cool. So I'm looking for a straw hat. And I found one.
Mom, I want the straw hat.
Well, it's a little big.
I want to put the...
But this one is $20 and I'm not paying $20 for a straw hat. I'm just not. Because I won't wear it really. Let me see. Here.
Mom, put the...
This one is... There you go. This one looks like a Mexican sombrero or something. This one's only $5, but come on, it looks weird. Okay, we found the bath bombs. But seriously, these bath bombs are like $5 and $6.50 a piece, and honestly, that's almost like you can find bath bombs that cheap at Lush. So I really don't want to pay that much for these bath bombs. I would rather go to Lush, but Lush is like 20 minutes away and it's inside a mall, so I gotta take both kids in the mall. It would take like so long. So we're already at Target, so I'm gonna let her get one of these to hold her over until we can make it to Lush. Which one did you pick?
This way.
Let me see it.
It's pink.
Yeah, see this? It's pink with sprinkles. And it's $4.99.
And I like it.
Okay, we'll take a bath with it tonight. We are getting ready to check out, so I'm going to do a quick haul of everything that's in the cart. I really picked these out.
Yes, my love cereal.
I found this hat for $5. And I got that belt. We got a really mermaid.
Can take these.
I love these wipes. They are plant-based. And I always buy my almond milk at Target. I always get the vanilla, so I'm going to try the unsweetened vanilla.
Why?
I really got her LOL Fuzzy Pets.
Yeah, I'll go hold it. I'll hold it. I'll hold it.
Sit down. I love this stuff, and they only have it at Target. I looked at Walmart, and they didn't have it. I find this here at Target. These are really good. I found these for Easter. Got some chapstick. I'm always losing mine. I got Everly's bath bomb. I'm gonna try this lotion and see if it'll help my ugly, disgusting hands. I love this. I got this last time to try and I really liked it, so I got more. And I'm gonna try these because these are all the rage right now. And Rosie wants to eat the cereal right now. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here because we're back in the car and we're gonna head home. And once we get home, I'm just gonna straighten up the house and do some laundry. Obviously, this is not a typical day in the life because most of the times we are at home. The majority of the time we don't get out a whole lot. Maybe once a week we'll get out and run some errands like this. I plan on doing a day in the life at home here soon, so make sure you are subscribed to my channel if you aren't already so you don't miss that. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and leave me a comment down below with other video suggestions. You all gave me a bunch of video suggestions on my last video and I really liked it. I got a lot of insight from that and I'm planning on doing things that you all suggested, so let me know if you have any other videos ideas, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.